Hey guys and girls, it's Julia with the YouTube channel Wig Review Central. I am featuring another color of the Paula In Vogue collection Braided Waterfall Wig. Now I already did a full wig review on this style. I'll leave the link to that in the video description box under this video. This particular video is to show you another beautiful balayage color that this gorgeous affordable wig comes in. I am wearing the color Honey Beige. This wig is also made of VersaFiber, which is a heat-friendly fiber. You can use heat tools up to 350 degrees. Now you'll remember in the first wig review, this wig features a braid on either side that is tied up in the back. Well, I have loosened mine. In fact, I just have them pinned in place with a bobby pin because I'm going to undo the braid to show you what the style looks like without a braid. This style also features a beautiful sheer hand-tied lace front, so it gives the look of a natural hairline. It also features a center 100% hand-tied monofilament part. No one will ever know that you're wearing a wig. Let me do a 360 in this beautiful color so you can take a look. This gorgeous style is 22 inches long. I am 5'7", and this style comes down past my middle back. Let's talk about this beautiful color, Honey Beige, 22/103 S10. The S10 is a medium ash brown here at the top, which transitions into the 22, which is a warm light blonde. And then the 103 is this beautiful platinum, which is highlighted here at the front. It's just gorgeous. Let's take a look at this color outside in natural light. Clipping the bands that hold the braids in place. I'm just going to cut those away so that I can show you what this looks like with the braids undone. So we're just going to undo them. I just cannot get over how beautiful this style is. There's so much density, and the wave pattern is so pretty. Now that I have taken the braids and undone the braids, I am getting some shedding. Here's the style. If you're interested in purchasing the Braided Waterfall Wig, I have left a link in the video description box under this video where you can click and shop. And be sure to visit the Paula website where you can view all of their beautiful long wigs from the In Vogue collection. Now if you have any questions about the style or the color, I'm more than happy to answer. Please leave those in the comments section below this video. Well, thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.